Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and ever since we started the Steelcase Authorized Factory Returns program, we've been getting a lot of questions about the different Steelcase fabrics, and so today we're going to be taking a closer look at Steelcase Billiard Fabric. Steelcase Billiard is one of my favorite fabrics, and it's actually the fabric that I use on my personal chair, which is right here. So without further ado, let's get started. Taking a closer look at Billiard, we do see that there are 19 colors available. It is rated at 100,000 double rubs, which is well above the 30,000 double rubs we look for. It's made of 100% polyester and is a woven fabric. And we see that it has a cleaning code of W, which means you need to use water-based cleaners on this fabric. Also worth noting that this is one of the few Steelcase fabrics that has a Crypton backing on it. That Crypton backing is going to help make this fabric more water, odor, stain, and microbe resistant, which is a pretty cool feature. When we take a closer look at the actual touch and feel of Billiard, we can see that it's one of the softer fabrics that Steelcase offers. It really does have a very soft touch to it, softer than I think any other fabric in my book. We can also see that it's a woven fabric woven with two different colors, so there is quite a bit of texture to it, but you don't feel that texture, but it gives it a lot of depth. Once we get a little bit closer and look at the stretch, there's a little bit of stretch, but it's not the stretchiest fabric out there. It's a pretty tight weave, and so the stretch and the breathability are kind of middle of the road for Steelcase fabrics, which doesn't bother me at all, but worth noting at the very least. So now on to my personal opinion, and Steelcase Billiard is one of my absolute favorite fabrics offered by Steelcase. This is actually my personal chair that I sit in every day, and it's upholstered in the Steelcase Billiard fabric. I love the softness of it. I love the feel of it. There's really not a whole lot to dislike in my opinion. It's not one of the more breathable fabrics, but that doesn't bother me personally. I just absolutely love it. I think it looks great. That texture and the depth that it has with the two different colors of the weave really stand out and make it it looks nice, it feels nice. It's one of my favorites, and that's why I sit in it every day. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on Steelcase Billiard fabrics. We hope you found it helpful, and if you did, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our website, crandalloffice.com, our Facebook page, or anywhere else you can find us. We're always there to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.
Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and ever since